Here's a quick one. I want to see if these works. Haystronica 220-piece solder seal wire connectors. Now I've seen these on Amazon. I've seen little commercials on the email. Let's see if they actually work. Now what it looks like to me is a nice piece of clear heat shrink with a couple of, I guess, identifying bands in there. They may be little grabbing bands. And some low temperature solder. Now I don't have a heat gun on me, so what we're going to do is just use a little liquor store torch lighter. I mean, I've used those for soldering quite a bit, and they seem to work pretty good. So what I got here is a couple of pieces of 14 gauge wire. Now I'm not sure exactly how this is going to work. I guess we'll do it like heat shrink. We'll just try and slip it over one end of the mess here. Get it all the way through, which that was pretty easy. And we'll do like they taught us in shop. Spread these out. Twist them together real nice. Slip our fancy schmancy solder waterproof weirdo connector over there. We'll add heat and see what happens. I see him doing it with a regular old Bic cigarette lighter, so I guess we'll be kind of patient. Looks like our solder's starting to melt there. If I can do this without burning it through. At the very least, we got a nice connection there. Oh yeah, it is melting. Will it melt through the plastic? Will it actually solder? Let's see. I think it did a pretty good job. That's probably the temperature of the sun, but let it cool for a second and see what we did. Did our solder band actually melt? It did. It did. She's connected. Huh. Well, that's not bad for about, I want to say 1995. We got this big old set here. And again, I would say it looks like more than it is, but more to come on these. We'll see what happens when we add a little more heat. But I thought that would be fun to check out. Hope you enjoyed that.